So I'm asked to write the linear equation or the linear function for this. Remember that it's going to be y equals mx plus b. And remember also that m is the slope, which is the rise over run. And one way we could think of that is the change in y over the change in x. And then remember b is where it crosses the y-intercept or the y-axis. We call that the y-intercept. And that occurs when x equals 0, and then we have a y value. So right off the bat, I'm noticing that when x equals 0, y equals 3. So that means that b is equal to 3, right? Because that is the definition of the y-intercept. Now, the only thing I need, so now I've got this part of the equation done. So the next thing I need to do is figure out what the slope is. Now, what I can do is I can do delta y. Now, delta y is the incremental value of what we change over delta x. In other words, I could pick two values on this. We're assuming that this is a linear function. So I can make the point 0, comma 3 my x1, comma y1, or y1, not y2. And then I can make the value 10, comma 43 x2, comma y2. And we know that the slope m is equal to delta y over delta x, which is basically y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So what's y sub 2? 43 minus what's y sub 1? 3 all over x sub 2, which is 10, minus x sub 1, which is 0. So 43 minus 3 is 40 over 10 minus 0, which is 10. That reduces down to 4. So mathematically, I found that my slope is 4. And just based on the fact that when x equals 0, y equals a positive 3. So that's all I really need is the slope and the y-intercept to write the equation of the line. So it's basically d, right? 4x plus 3.